Hey everybody. Today has been a very laissez-faire, sleepy time of day. Look at the weather outside. It is raining here in Kanata, Ontario, Canada. It was minus 20 here 3 days ago. Now it's about plus 5 degrees. My whole driveway here was all snow. It is not. It is now, there's just a little bit of ice left here, and it's just raining. So, this morning I woke up, and my family didn't really want to eat much. My husband wanted fried chicken. I didn't have any fried chicken. He's like, I want to order fried chicken. So, since we weren't going to go out to the movies or go out for dinner today, which is something we sometimes do on the weekend, and it's part of our entertainment, we ordered from Wild Wings. So we ordered some a wing family combo that came with some fries and onion rings and some appetizers. And we still have some left over. So it not necessarily a frugal thing, but it is what it is. And it is, I'm trying to be as transparent as possible of what we are eating during this low spend month. So, it, my, so, it is now 5 o'clock, and for supper tonight planned, it was supposed to be sushi or Vietnamese rolls, and that's what I'm going to start to do right now. See, and this is the leftovers from our lunch that is going to be put away. And I think I'm going to be making Vietnamese rolls for supper. It's the easiest of the two. Might make both. But I'm going to go start prepping the proteins and getting those things cooked up. So I took out steak and shrimp out of the freezer for tonight's supper. I'm going to show you what I did. So in this bag, I just put some lemongrass, chopped lemongrass, and using this, I chopped up 2 steaks. So I had picked up a big thing of steaks Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. There was 4 steaks, I only used 2. I chopped them up into thin slices. In here I put a spoonful of this black pepper paste sauce, Vietnamese black pepper paste, and I put in a bunch of fish sauce and soy sauce and lemongrass. And I'm just smushing it right into the, because this was still frozen when I sliced it, so I'm smushing this all into the meat. I'm defrosting shrimp, and then I'm going to peel off the tails and throw them in here, this marinade as well. But I'm going to cook both of them up, and I'm thinking of making rice paper wraps and or sushi wraps with them. But the main thing is to get the meat marinated and start cooking, because that's the longest part. So we're going to make rice paper wraps. These rice papers, we just soak them in warm water and put them on a plate, and then we put the toppings in. We have some cooked rice noodles, some lettuce, some shredded carrots, shrimp, beef, and cucumbers. You can also do this with leftover meat. This is what we usually do when there's chicken or roast beef. And also put fresh herbs like basil or mint. But I do not have fresh herbs, so they're just not going to go in it. Also bean sprouts. It's another topping that we tend to put in it. But all we do is moisten one of these up, and then put the toppings in. Make sure you don't overstuff, and then roll it. These ones, they show them as open, but we like to close them like spring rolls. There you have it before, and there you have it after. We've done all the shrimp ones, so now we're doing the beef ones. So you can see how they're rice paper, lettuce, carrots, noodles, meat, cucumber. And here is leftovers. There's 6 rolls left. I individually wrapped them in saran wrap. 3 beef and 3 shrimp. And a little bit of meat and noodles. Just gonna put that in a container with a lid. So we'll probably have this for lunch tomorrow with whatever other leftovers we have. And there you have it. I made, I think, about 15 rolls, 15 or 16 rolls in total. There was more shrimp than steak because 3 of my 4 family members like shrimp. And that's about it. I had, I think, 3 or 4. Hubby had about 4 or 5. Abby only had about 2 because she was not very hungry, and Rowan had 3, I believe. So there we go. So that's the end of January 11th, what we had and what's left over, and using up what we have. Tomorrow is my mother-in-law's supper at Nana's house, and lunch is scheduled leftovers. So we will have what is left. And if people don't like what's left, they can make themselves a fried egg sandwich or peanut butter sandwich or a Kraft dinner or something. Who knows? So I know I'm probably having soup. What are you going to have for lunch tomorrow? Bye, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye, friends.